In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Replit. By the end, you'll feel confident pressing run and understanding what's happening behind the scenes, so your project does exactly what you expect. First, open Replit. Use any modern web browser and head to the Replit website. When the page loads, you'll see the workspace interface where coding happens in the cloud. If you're already familiar with Replit, this is the same place where your files, console, and editor live side by side. Make sure you're in the environment where you can access your work. That way, everything you need is ready the moment the page finishes loading. Next, open your project, also known as a REPL. A REPL is simply a self-contained project with your code files, dependencies, and run configuration bundled together. From your Replit home screen, you'll see a list of your recent projects. Select the one you want to run, and it will open in the editor view. Take a quick glance at the file tree on the left so you know which file is the main entry point. Many templates label this clearly, such as main.py for Python or index.js for Node. This helps you anticipate what will execute when you run. Now click the big Run button at the top. It looks like a triangular play icon and it's hard to miss. When you press it, Replit automatically sets up the runtime environment for your project. This might include installing required packages, compiling your code if necessary, and launching the main process. You'll see activity in the console panel, which is where output, logs, and errors appear. If your project is a web app, Replit will spin up a server and show you a preview window or a link to view it in a new tab. For command line programs, watch the console for printed messages and prompts. This is your primary feedback for what your code is doing. If the output looks good, you're done. Your code is running. If you notice error messages, read them in the console. They usually point to a specific file and line number, which is helpful for quick fixes. Keep in mind that the Run button repeats the same process each time, so small changes to your code can be tested immediately by saving and running again. That's it. Open Replit, open your project, and click Run. With those simple steps, you can test ideas quickly, see results in real time, and keep iterating until everything works the way you want. Happy coding!